Hi, this is Connie. Welcome to RedHorse. RedHorse offers you a number of ways to create reports and documents using the data in your RedHorse system. One of the methods is using Microsoft Word. Using Word, you can produce beautifully designed documents containing your RedHorse data. In this series, we will be showing you how to use Word document merging to produce documents. Step 1 is installing the Word add-in for authoring templates to use for merging. Step 2 is creating a new template in the administration in RedHorse. Step 3 is designing your template and inserting merge fields. And step 4 is using the template to merge data from RedHorse into a final output document or PDF. This video will start with step 1. I will show you how to install the Word add-in. First, you will need to have your RedHorse license ready. In RedHorse, go to Help About and click the clipboard link. This will save your license number so that you can paste it into the RedHorse website when you go to install the link. Next, go to the RedHorse website and log in. You can see that I'm logged in here already. Then go to Support, Downloads. Click on Current Version of RedHorse CRM. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and select RHW Link 10. This is the RedHorse CRM Word link for Microsoft Office 2010, 2013, and 2016. Now you will paste your RedHorse license number by clicking in the field, and then on your keyboard, hold down the Control key and type the letter V. When it's pasted in, hit Submit. You'll see the download, and depending on which browser you are using, you will choose to install it. In Chrome, I just have to click on it. A window will open showing you that you're going to be installing RHW Link 10. Click Install. When it's finished, click Close. Now let's open Microsoft Word. We can see in the ribbon in Word, there is a new tab for RHW Link 10, the RedHorse Word add-in. We'll be using this tab to add fields to a merge template. We see Fields, an Insert button. We can go to Design Mode. We can get help by clicking here, and we can also view what version of the link is running. That's step 1, installing the Word add-in. This needs to be done on any workstation at your company that will be used to author templates for Word merging. It's used for designing templates and inserting merge fields. For users that will be just merging documents and not doing any design of the documents, they won't have to have this installed. Be sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series for more steps on using the Word merge. Thank you for watching.